Start.
Welcome to you all. Today's experiment will be is setting out simple curve by offset from long chord. This is also called as a linear method. So here in this case, you have to in this experiment you have to by taking a chain and tape, you will be setting out a simple curve by long chord method. First, you have to select a station point T1. Select a station point, that is a tangent point T1. This is a tangent point T1. T1. This is a tangent point. So now I will be mark tangent point T1. So next, select the tangent point T2. Select the tangent point T2 at a distance equals to length of the long chord, that is 60, that is 30 meters, that is 60 meters. So first I have to fix the tangent point T1, then after I have to go for fixing the tangent point T2 at a distance, that's the length of the long chord. So the distance between T1 and T2, that is called, will be called as the length of the long chord. So then afterwards you have to mark the midpoint of the long chord. So by stretching a tape from T1, by stretching a tape T1, mark a midpoint of long chord. So designated as a M. Marked as a M. Marked as a M. After marking a midpoint of a long chord, erect a mid-ordinate. Erect a mid-ordinate, that is a mid-ordinate distance, that is equals to O0, that is equals to 4.6 meters. So O0, mid-ordinate distance, you have to calculate it by using the formula R minus square root of R square minus L by 2 whole square. So 4.6 meters. After marking a mid-ordinate point, so you have to mark the mid-ordinate, that is called O0, that is 4.6 meter. 4.6 meter. 4.6 meter. So now after mark mid-ordinate, that is the ordinate distance OX, that is a 4.6 meter, that is will be designated as a C. So after marking a mid-ordinate distance, so you have to divide the T1m into equal number of even number of parts. So I will be marked as a at 5 meter intervals. I will be marked, that is a station P1, that is a distance 5 meter from the midpoint of a long chord. Then P2, that is a 10 meter, that is a distance 10 meter from midpoint of long chord. Then again next one, that is a P3, that is a 15 meter from midpoint of long chord. Then P4, point P4, then P5, given number of parts, equal parts. After dividing the long chord into equal number of parts, okay, you have to mark the points P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, so on from the midpoint of the long chord. So then after marking a point P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5, so erect a perpendicular. So erect a perpendicular offset by using a cross top or by 3-4-5 method. So you have to either cross top or using a 3-4-5 method. So just you have to go to the cross stop, station point P1, station point P1, station point P1, then sight a tangent point T1, T1 or T2, T1 or T2. So then erect a perpendicular, then erect a perpendicular. After erecting a perpendicular, so mark a distance from P1, offset distance that is 4.47 meter. So from 4.47 meter from P1 to P1 dash, this is the distance, offset distance, that is a 4.47 meter. Next mark the next offset distance, that is a from point P2, that is the offset distance is 4.09 meter, 4.09 meter. So next mark the point 4.09 meter, 4.0, this is a 4.09 meter. Next mark the erect a perpendicular from the point P3 by using a cross stop, that is the offset distance equals to 4.09. After erecting a offset from point P3, so let's mark the erect the offset distance from station P4 at a distance 2.57 meter. Lastly, erect a ordinate from station P5 using a cross stop and mark the offset distance 1.42 meter, 1.242 meter. So last that is it will be intersector T1, that is a 0 meter distance. After marking all the points P1 dash, P2 dash, P3 dash, P4 dash and P5 dash, join all the points, we will get the smooth curve, This is a half portion of the curve from the midpoint, left side of the midpoint of the long chord. So same step you can repeat the same procedure on the other side of the midpoint of the long chord, that is from station M to T2. This is a procedure for setting out of a simple curve by using a cross stop or 3-4-5 method or using a chain at tape. Okay, thank you.